Hey guys, it's Mike Friedman from the SEO Pub, and just want to shoot a quick video, show you one of my favorite features of SEO SpyGlass, and one of the reasons that I find it to be such a valuable tool. One thing people ask me a lot is, what's the best backlink tool or backlink service provider that allows you to analyze a website's backlinks? And I know you'll get people arguing that Ahrefs is the best, or Majestic SEO is the best, Open Site Explorer. My feeling and my favorite is all of them. I like to use all of them, and SpyGlass lets you do that and analyze the backlinks all in one place. I'm going to show you how here real quick. Now, I picked a random domain, pacificplan.org, that was available in GoDaddy auctions today. A lot of people would use this technique I'm going to show you to analyze backlinks for buying high page rank domains to set up their own private network. Is one thing a lot of people are doing today. You'd also use this if you're analyzing websites, you're looking at your competition in a SERP and trying to judge how hard it is going to be to outrank them. So when you're looking at competitors, you can do this also. What I'm about to show you, what it allows you to do is get about as complete of a picture of a website's backlink profile as you can get without owning for a domain that you don't own. So I had SpyGlass run through and analyze the backlinks already, and it's got them sorted by page rank. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to use Ahrefs, and just to keep the video short, I'm just going to go through Ahrefs, but the process is very similar for Majestic SEO, Open Site Explorer, any provider that lets you export the backlinks that they have in their database. So I ran the domain through Ahrefs, I selected all the backlinks, and then I'm going to hit the export button. And I wanted to get it in the UTF-8 code. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and save the file. And I'm going to move it then to my desktop. And we're going to go back to SpyGlass. And under File, you're going to select this option that says Import. And you're going to select Backlink Data CSV file. And then we're going to grab the file that we just downloaded from Ahrefs, and we're going to import it. Now you're going to get this jumbled mess at first. What you're going to do, it says start import at row. You want to start at row 2. Row 1 is this right here. It's just the titles of what each column is. So the source URL, source title, crawl date, all that stuff. We don't need that row. So we're going to start at row 2, which is the actual data. I'm going to keep it in the UTF-8 format. Click Next. You want to make sure that you selected the delimiter as comma, and it separates out each column then of data. And at the top is a little menu that lets you tell SpyGlass what this column is. All of them we're going to keep at Do Not Use, except as you scroll over, you're going to see a column that you'll be able to recognize is the pages that have the backlinks to this domain. And that one, we want to select, we want to tell SpyGlass that these are the backlink pages. Everything else you keep as Do Not Use. You hit the Next button. And in this case, SpyGlass pops up with a notification telling you that there's 40 duplicate and or wrong format URLs. So that means that 40 of the domains 40 of the backlinks, both SpyGlass and Ahrefs found. There's no point in analyzing backlinks twice, so it's just going to remove the duplicates. And we'll go ahead and hit Finish. And now if I go down here, you'll see all these extra domains, or extra backlinks that we've imported from Ahrefs. And what you can do then is you select them all, and we're going to gather all the data for them. And I'm going to go ahead and let this run. Okay, so SpyGlass finished running through all those links. And now we have data on all these additional links for further analysis. And you can analyze the PR, anchor text used, whatever you want to take a look at. And you can repeat this process then with Majestic SEO, Open Site Explorer, import all those links also. And as an SEO, it's invaluable getting all those additional links to take a look at that none of those services give you on their own. And this lets you, instead of going back and forth between them all, this lets you import all the data into one place and take a look at it. So whether you're judging competition, or like I said, you're looking for domains that you want to buy to set up your own private network, SEO SpyGlass lets you combine the data from all those different sources and get about as complete of a picture of the backlink profile of a website or web page as you can possibly get, not owning the domain. So again, this is Mike Friedman from the SEO Pub, and I hope you enjoyed the video.